everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to prepare potato pizza, and that too without oven. It is one of the best pizza you will ever taste. Now let's take a look at the recipe. To make the pizza base, we need a large potato. Peel the potato and wash it thoroughly. And then grate the potato with the help of a grater. Place the grated potato in a bowl. Now we will add 2 eggs to it. Salt as per taste. 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix it well. Now our pizza base is ready. Next, take a pan, apply some oil in it. Then we will pour the batter or pizza base on the pan. Spread it evenly. Cover it and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, we will turn it on other side. Now we will spread some pizza sauce. Spread all over the pizza base. Next we will add mozzarella cheese. Every corner of the pizza base. Here I have 3 colors of capsicums, red, yellow and green, and I have cut it into pieces. Now I am going to add it. Next we will add some sliced black olives. If you don't have black olives, you can skip it. And finally we will sprinkle with some chili flakes and with some oregano. These are optional. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Wow, look at the pizza. It turned out beautifully. And I am sure that you are going to enjoy with this pizza. You can have this pizza as a breakfast, as a dinner or as an evening snack. If you like this recipe, do give this video a thumbs up and give your comment and suggestions in comment section. And also please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. And I will be there every week with the new videos. Thank you for watching.